We are all packed up on this beautiful morning, and we're gonna go head out to Badin Lake and enjoy a little bit of fishing. Come on and go with us. Are you on your boat? Yes! This is the little honey hole that we haven't been to in quite some time. We're going to check it out and see what we can find. Cut the boat motor off, put the trolling motor on. Alright, not 5 minutes into our adventure of fishing, and it seems as though someone who goes unnamed got stuck on the bottom.
If you wanted to change the color of it, we could have changed the color of it. All right, you should be good to go.
Okay, thank you, babe. My bobber is in there. We have caught, let's look at our clicker real quick. $16 so far this morning. Not too bad. Folks, if you don't have a remote control, you need one. This little thing is probably one of the best investments on the boat that we've made, right, babe? Makes things a lot easier. She has her own battery. Yeah, it kind of sits in the way, but it's just kind of how we roll. Baby, find us a fish. A big one. This is her favorite spot. We are warming lunch up currently. Leftovers, chicken fajitas. we have come through here and seen on the very tip top of this train trestle, children, kids, teenagers, whatever you want to call them, crazies, that are jumping from the very top into the lake. The very, very top. Oh wow, looks like we've got an osprey nest. Alright, so we're going to go under. We are now on our way back through. We didn't do any fishing. We just decided to cruise. But if you look up here, we have birds. We have osprey. Some of these buoys here, look, are marking where the old dam used to be. And it could be that there's potential, I guess if it isn't deep enough, if your boat is big enough. We've not ever had any issues, but and there's Badin Shore Resorts. All right, so if you are listening, the sound you're hearing is the sound that the power lines here are making. We go under these in order to hit down here at the bottom end or whatever. Down here's where we've pulled some pretty big shell crackers out. So we're gonna go check that out today. All right, babe. I think this one's bigger than what we've been doing for sure. Ah! All right, you got him? All right, this one is actually a decent size.
Here, pick him up. That's a big shell cracker.
Yay!
That's pretty good size.
We'll take it. Considering what we've
Pretty
been
good
catching.
size. Look at that. I mean, he's pretty good size. Sure enough. Man, he's thick. You had him hooked good.
Got him. Oh my goodness, honey. It's a monster. Oh my gosh, that thing is tiny.
Seriously, folks, seriously.
Do those even count on the clicker?
I've seen sardines bigger than that. Wow, look at that.
I know, it's like keychain size. You catch the bottom like I did? A limb or something.
No one come loose easy. Yep.
That didn't do very well.
It looks like the bedded brim back here are gone.
Yay, I have one with substantial size, love, look.
That's our goal right there. This fish attractant. I'm thinking there's probably some sunken brush right there for us, so we're gonna kind of ease on that way. We're out of worms, out of night crawlers, so we're going to try some crappie jigs here on the brush pile, see what we can find. That's our target fish, our favorite one anyway, so we're gonna give that a try. Good entertainment to pull you up a chair around the boat ramp. You will see some sights. My dear husband does a phenomenal job.